Me na ka say me nam I campaign na mabe pia hai. Na dia na ba say nyina ne say ye papa owura efi dwantoa. Panini ba kopa ka na osaje foto kwa me nkoma mreso. Mpanifo ana ono bu man. No member of cabinet of free. Na adwada we na ye ba bi na ochida. Onim se de papa no esi born bra esom party ntino party yi ana ade no so ebefie Asante region ana ayi suba so ayde mabun ana aye ho adwuma ne ade ntino so ba bia mbu bia no bitwa so na meba na yebehwe na esiesie chiri se de be ya empanifo a ICPP fo ne nkroma star omo wiasa fa na nyina ene Ghana ha omo beba no omo nyina no ebetimi ehunu se ade no akoyi eti obi ka metika mu na meda ana menene namu a chichiri wa chichiri mama be piano kofi win free on mo a on the 27 28 29 victory is coming home.
Okay.
As I say na the Convention People's Party CPP for the National Delegate Conference no ayaba be no sa congress no e the Asante region na eno and the same incline say me gina mu bi na me pre na ye de agbo so e to amufie no bi kan so ma benya home support no ma san bo home enti say ni nyina no e ya de a e mfe eno ti based on that no ye de nyoma gugu akwa mu tutu nyoma
yes obantem
na o say ye tutu nyoma ma me mfa konya wo so na oh yes who's the win mema nana ya adwanto formerly of PRC on any Aquam Jantua, Papa Freeman Yako.
Thank you.
Test track.
I'm sorry. Thank
Party.
You. Your time is up. Thank you. Episode for 24 minutes past 7. We're streaming live over your Facebook page, Nhyira 104.5 FM. Babadena call Facebook page. Share the video, be part of the discussion. Share na makan message. Share ya makan message. Then we are going. As of today, I'm pumped to saying.
Boko.
Danyamia say sabusiafo nyina ho ye de
twedi ampomadaru
yeah da nyamia say then I have to go to the regional director for national service or regional women's that saying
open ka say nyame no mo pai bo eye national service as well bana manfa the latest development amana ntwa ye open no ma me kwa ma me chire mu say ye nua no mo wie university 1 or 2 reasons o mu ntumi nye national service ye bia kwanya mo be register so that o mo be wie that year no ye go maka ho ye bia mu 15th January na san de bia me kan ye time bound nti ye be wie 31st March nti obi a wutie ye chichi ne bench ye besere na category nye obi okọ university of Ghana so okọ university outside the country na accredited wo ho kwan say obana obe register to oba e register on do aka wona say bi on be we this year na yenye ni say now the national service certificate is very sensitive and important because say we need be akofi impo private work kra hu ntimi nye people don't know this if you read the at 426 san the change mesre menu ano you register our regional offices, not the district. Uba requirement no do so ntimi nka ne ha no ye be chiro mu na mo be register.
That's good.
It's quite apart from that. Abruno so ya to
nyame adom obi abeto.
Nti ye pon hu me.
That's a video commission. Wait na Airbus commission. No me magic commission.
We intermediate
we go me na me champion ya Bruno. Me ya 100 nya that. Okay, enti ya danyame ase. Abusabo we streaming live on our Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM. Abdullah Rashid Minkala, you are looking good this morning, my Mr. Host. Thank you. Kwesi Isaac Nkansa, good morning. Kofi Nathaniel Saki, good morning. Watching you live from UK. Esther Achampon, good morning. Romance, Jew too, and all the messages and so eba. And yeah, share. I want to see you sharing the page. Then we will all be part of the discussion. And that show, no, I want to be more liberal here. and be flexible. A lot of issues. Let's see. We're looking at electoral commission, your Airbus, your Galamsey issues, and many other cases are also my Ghana. Which of them and our person will touch on? The fire. Oh yes, Napo Baya, and as we speak, Opemu Nipa three, but three of them have escaped from police custody and on suspicion of arson. And Napo said it, and that's an amount for a little bit is kakra, but lo and behold, Abem just a very serious one. Also, I mean, any of the issues are
Airbus ne Galamsey no abun for now. Na do na mremu.
How many minutes?
We having about 10-15 minutes. That minua kwesi asante na Nkoso radio and I think College of Media Studies kwesi dia and then ma made that from Mercro nti yebeko na yako akwa 10 minutes until let's go.
Dedi kanu mesere mekano.
Outside 10 minutes.
Yes. Mamenchia mini abado itimane yako. Aguna former aguna hima eba.
It's your 10 minutes start.
Kofi people.
I started 27. 1 minute off.
Kofi, the issue of Airbus ene ho sensem ya dia e wo se yeka na yeka ni pa. Adekrunti ane se ya soja fo a ayo ma se de so boy ho ban no. Ana sa asoja fo no akasenka omuhia wiemhwe a omode bedi omdwuma na ebasa no o se kutobi ma wo mo ntomu no ana akwakoye se emse egofo bi fa ho ati ntwobo na mafo ka no boot no spina no ti so majo mo she ansa kra na de ba beto enu nti ade a wo se ehia Ghana ni bia because aeroplane no ekoto eno ayemiensa na kra no na ye wo na ye wo nhihye mu se ye besa to bia ka ho if you say yinya bible ai no din e wo yahye so ene ye man mu asam no enim wa ye se se no akwakwa MPP gina fa ndc gina fa no bia toto mane enu nti medie mede baye nsembusa because mini krata bia no a ebema mede asem no asi people say because of krata mahunu ana me wonti meka official document ne de achocho say central for achro enu nti no me kam na sisi ne mum me nyang krata ne mede be nsimbusa kofi asem no nyina ne say ye kwa koto rupri e de amaga na soja for say de me din kan kan companies ya ewaru pini bi omoto no me miensa company ba kudin de Airbus ana Airbus fo no eye ne se Ghana fo peru prato enipa o ye president Ghana eye Ura Atamils da be de tiri eye Ura John Dramani Mahama enu ntie sa dia yenko hwe obi a onim sankofo embi because na wo sika no moto ade no na ye hwe se ombetimi akache sankofo no se ye obi nto meto ana tieni e pa o sada mo no bai no ana omkonya obi a otu UK onim aban mu panyini bi a court atemu de bai no yatini din government official 1
no intermediary 1 here
there be government official 1
okay
so I was that is no
yeah
only any panana wa ban mu a
okay
ono de na Airbus for no fi say so omunye obi manane ne kasa aeroplane beto afuro mo ho nipa no mu kosi ni so no a one sa nipa no wa ban mu ba be kasa no omo man din intermediary 5 say connection man ye ka obi intermediary aze obi odi ntemo che connection man on the time bi betime wira man o da say obetime aye
aeroplane golo
tom ko hu no ano mo ni din ko an intermediary 5 nipa no a wo connection man say me wo bi wo ho sa obetime aboa ma ade na ye kama na mbu mo no de wonya ncho wonworo nche enti se sadia o se ye pe hu sika na de koma no enzo mu no ana Airbus ne ye ne sika na ye pe free Ghana ho no so enti se mu di ebi dibi na se dibi enya hwe ana omudi kan tua 5 million euros
Tuai
and they pay to the intermediate 5
in which of the
judgment
which of them go to any of the page because there's nothing like explicit anywhere the UK or any of there's nothing like explicit
so because according to what I have here
then open the page
there was a bargain and payment was made.
Let me open the page. Let's all confirm. Because
your submission now
yes. Please avoid it here. We mean a serious business.
As a matter of fact, I read this from your my Joy Online. I guess.
No, the Joy Online. I want what we have here because there have not been any explicit payment. Nothing like 5
what you have
something. We were both the judgment. I have the UK and that of the US. Okay, then as you let's put that on to Asomame.
Okay.
5 million,
yeah, so there was supposed to be 5 million.
There was supposed to be. That is your claim.
The first agreement to pay bribes in Ghana was to involve some 5 million euros. What I say, which was disguised as commission.
No.
Oh, I'm reading.
We read free him. No, too much
media for online.
Because content said we see kind of crown. Beginning, you didn't come clear. What's this? The first day.
The first agreement to pay bribes in Ghana was to involve some 5 million euros, which was disguised as commission.
So there's nothing expected about payment here. No. From even what you are
intermediary 5 engaged by
from Obro from our kind, there's nothing like payment. There's no specific, there's no explicit way the English. No, please. We are educating. We are educating. There's nothing like payment in even the all kind of. What I say?
There was
an attempt.
So what I say?
Okay.
So that is it. Wabra eboa enkabrofo epeno. Yeah, the be a count said the bay I beboa mommy scatching ye. Abra yisika crana and swidi. Oh, you know, free one more. Masam Busa me Busa Bion say. Companies mienu no a na omne eba se pre no de tie ne se ebo no na omde ma ye kra no na omobo no wofom.
Who are these companies?
I'll have to refer that, but there were 3 bidding companies.
3 bidding companies?
Yes. That's what
anyway, report I kind of there's nothing like that.
So
because the deals has basically been the focus has been about Airbus deal.
No. Start immediately,
okay.
3 companies especially.
Maybe you are giving us a different information.
Intermediary, 5 Ebe making sure say I don't know will settle on what do you call it, Airbus.
In the deal?
In the deal.
Okay, whether you are discussing something which I don't have, I'm not privy to because what I have here, don't worry. But
I will have to check and then so that is at the end of the day, they settled on Airbus. The question is, Argentina na ebi moton ade na ofom, ne bo ofom. Na ewi echi na Airbus enya events contract no. Any one. That also be. You say ade no ba no yese satam no original Smith ana oye Minister of Defense say omonye hye bi na anyoma bi won ma enim dada omon fanke kan won for installation na ema arupi no ene baby be jira ne adade nyina gam na hwe sa eka ebo eno nko an ho a enke de torupi ni kan ho a enke yeyi enti kofi obi a ye pe aeroplane so adama sojafo aeroplane no aywa akoto no na yinya kra no ahwe nkrata da enimu ya na ya adwen se ye to de ato yi kra wie besa to bia ka ho na ye go sika enke betim de disa adwuma na ye ne se ye nye sa meto no nemum ye de be ye aeroplane akoto dada o yakoto no temfanse yakoto no so what I say ye be ye hunsiesie na hunsiesie na tiri no kura no e ya de a etimi to rupemi no adentia etoso bio asem no si wo owura John Dramani Mahama and Ura Professor Mills Abreso when Professor Mills was president and Ura John Mahama was vice president. According to Connection Man Intermediary 5, your friend will be government official one. Send upon the dim tenio or Kasa a woman
decision maker.
What the next form or the C form and or to me lobby to the majority that time which were NDT for in parliament. Now all lobby to government officials including cabinets. Am I be beer on some year beyond or would you too much once? And it will be only fair. Say NDC for any Ura John Dramani Mahama office. Ebema yehunu who government official one is. One wine. Me bo Ura John Dramani Mahama because Professor Mills are only the boom mine or to say no only will be you. Into your period dancing here. You heard as a four. I'm say Ura John Dramani Mahama. Ana enka ebetimi ehuno na yebusano. Dear one want to say up to now no. Intermediate 5 no yakwa kwesama. Yeboni din but intimi emmuni din ama yun say Ekufi Asante. Ana say eye umens. Yebo government official one din yeboni din enso nya dia. Ya hunu say eye odisi kakoko anasa foji. Good. These are some of the things I will say NDT for fun personal homework. No more babonting to come and set the record straight. Some say na montemo wasidia intermediary 5 Ekufi Asante mo friend amusan this year. Some say montiasie na mo some the two so dia and the government official one pokuma esa wonye amusan this year because oma ban na wo so samre no and they owe it a responsibility to themselves as Amayuku political party and of course to the country. Say omo become clear na omama yehu dia ekoso. The American man kwa kosie nyina ne say so we Airbus for omo company shi mu a
lande
omo wokwanya say omo timi twa sika bia omo timi ede lobby nkofo the ama case why case ni say according to sources and what I've read no they exceeded sika no a they are allowed to use to lobby.
Okay.
So what I say, which make it bribery outright.
And even the pricing of the
so that is it. And European kasa buono so no. And kofobi the bit so.
Okay.
And also so na etwa mane bo. And unti assembly see kofobi pension. It will be all fair. So
okay.
Quickly on Galamsey.
You cannot go on. I've even favored you for about more than 2-3 minutes. 39 minutes past 7 live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. You need the Diana Bakofia Asante. For messages go Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM. Now making kind messages nina Emma, you are part of the discussion and Tim Pacho don't go anywhere. Request for the Mamintio on this the next 10 minutes any angle baby episode Fabia
Kofi mama nchia obi na baby aminu akose Kofi dia fa nti mini baby ase omuye involved in it. What is special prosecutor to an amona yehwehwemu? What it tells you is say abana kasa nim omo ayeka omo asem no. Then they jump into the fray, jump the gun, no matter press conference. And very irresponsibly, ane do Mahama bra, ane Wayne bra. Meanwhile, why Bankro unim ni pakro nti so see any investigation. So unim ni pakro na be press conference. Why commission an investigation and wait the time of the special prosecutor? Special prosecutor.
No, but one press conference.
No, he speaks for the party. Please.
There's a difference between parties.
That's why you are answering him.
There's a dichotomy.
You are answering him. No,
but you have to get it clear.
Nobody wants clarification from you.
Please.
When there's a need for
government,
I'll come in.
Government officials. Okoboy Munina Enra were speaking to the press conference. It has become the official government position. Kofi Manfa way because at the end we did what yet to say one kind. So let's deal with that.
Yes. But we have to
meba. What was that my so Okoboy government officials are speaking to the press conference. As a man now can who in position kita. Kolebu is about Tamajaja the Okano. What you say? Kofi Asante to su you. Sa government official 1, government official 2, intermediary 1, intermediary 1. A legal codification.
Yeah.
You can't government official 1 and said you can't bro with number 1 gentleman. That doesn't mean. Also, Oko Kota will be your type King Court records. Be
A1.
You codify witnesses needing to work as PW1, PW2 as a prosecution witness 1, prosecution witness 2. And no, it is a legal practice. It is the bro for our was to say, yes, you actually government official 1, and you training for where it is wrong. Kofi, okay, kind 55 now, Kofi Shadi. And it is very instructive. 55 no, Kofi Woho. 55 no, say, Mekanyu. After Company D made a formal BP application to Airbus in May 2011. Airbus commissioned an external due diligence report. In September 2011, this report identified Intermediary 5 as a shareholder of Company D. The report raised the possibility that he was a close relative of government official 1, and concerns were that there were risks of non-compliance with the OECD convention. The reaction of a number of Airbus employees, including senior employees and those involved in compliance, in an email chain in October 2011, is set out at paragraph 188 of the statement of facts. In short, it was the business should be conducted through a new third party, a company already audited and engaged in the same area, a Spanish company already an Airbus intermediary 8. The criteria say at a point of who say intermediary 5 near close relative of government official 1 no. Now a shareholder in company D no. That company was subsequently dropped and omukofa a new Spanish company. Kofi Osaka kan 54 now. It is clear that government of Ghana never paid any money to company D now intermediary 5 a part of it. So what I say, it is clear from 54 okay say sika any agreement Ghana buy with the Spanish company no na yeah this sika from wakoto kasa 295 and we never engage intermediary 5 intermediary 5 no but it is clear from 54. You've not read the ruling.
So now you know intermediary 5
me banya butre Kofi last time me betra be prove say even in the ruling the Crown Court said clearly say Airbus SC and engage in the service of intermediary 5 and how is that the business of government of Ghana? Sir, and Nhyira FM multimedia. As one government of Ghana a business, was open the services of an agency. Now, Oma take administrative decision to get an agency to be in between.
What the conflict of interest? What the conflict of interest?
What the conflict don't understand it. America Ghana there was an agency. Obakaya, Omu commissioner, MPP by alleged then say, you did 510 million. Power, there was an agency. As a man, if multimedia decides to go for the service of an agent or an agency, as government of Ghana part of that administrative decision, this is basic. And if they later find out, say, company na agency no, obi wo mo close relative, and because of that due diligence test one pass, you drop a company no, you go for company for fraud. What is wrong with it? In any case, in the Crown Court ruling, has it been established that any government official, I don't know what Ghana has been indicted? No. Eti ayam nwa say ye nyina say be yakọ school ni bi. Ye dey say nyansa we nyina beto nche na Kofi. Ye be proceed on this level. From the court, no, the facts are clear. Number one, a Airbus now engage the service of an intermediary, quote unquote, an agent. And they say, or related to government official, one, a highly elected government official, Kofi, as we speak today. Ora Chairman Sabunsu will fit into the category of a highly elected government official.
It's not true. Was he part of government?
Maybe that time, we am trying to give you a picture of that highly elected government official who the person. Please.
Supposedly, yeah.
Me I can't say you won't follow logic. No, please. Can
we allow our listeners to enjoy the show?
What can I say?
On your time.
Alright, Chairman Sabosu will literally fit that category in case if members are even under this administration here say highly government. Yes, because Honorable Chairman Sabosu has been in Parliament for more than 26 years. He's a senior member in Parliament. He's Minister for Parliamentary Affairs. He's majority leader. And he a high ranking elected government official to their unfit category. He will fit. What you say? In any case, military high command Kofi, Omuka who be a Kotos Akasa 295 we buy. Are they not alive? In fact, some of them have been promoted by this government. They are there to assist us. No, they are course. No mean say
wrap up.
Me wrap up. No mean you can say be say, na ade no ya prepare ho na ye koto ye no na ohwe ne bo aka say say. Kofi, you know. Say a core parliament, 9 people for parliament. In fact, committee report by it was seconded by an MPP MP, and these are facts, these are records. I thought to be Kofi was there. Kofi de unim say kasa 295 no. It was about a memorandum of understanding and any United Nations peacekeeping for na sign. And no more specifications of a certain aircraft. Every Ghana say, "Sa peacekeeping where they mobile. Yepe aircrafter, military aircrafter, ni specs ni do this level." It was discussed in Parliament. But Abba said the prices were inflated. In fact, UK Crown Court ruling nima. Meba, Crown Court ruling. Countries are Airbus no dealing no. Any prices on ton. Aircraft in the Maomono. Bibi wa mua edia dansia air say Ghana de no omabuya faswana. No. Kofi last point. Me wa budget of a year mami ha wa kumsi wa ha. Budget our they call 2017. So they call ambulances. I quote 379,596 per unit. And now me know say Obeka say October could be at $133,000.
Yeah.
And Musa 300 now go to a budget. Kofi Opa company no website ne na ko check. Sir ambulances, Benz bus, Mercedes, no more their bread. It is costing $70,000 on their website.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, we have been told, so you are told one unit be at $133,000. It by logic, no. Men conclude say, Mami, our Kumsine President Kufuor the Choba to so Abu Ghana first one.
Thank you. Question that listeners will answer. For Abdullah Wahab, fireman, lecture them well. Bunsu Safoji, fire them all. We they about Kwesi Isaac and Cancer. Jay, please, did you know laws than the president who is a lawyer and other MPP lawyers? Okay. With their Cletus was what a crime was. What crime was indicated? Read my. Okay, I don't know, but Mohammed, I think, sir, Udian Mohammed Kankambo Ibrahim Diano. Can NDC mention that unknown government official one who championed the Airbus deal, the joke of century Ghana politics? Jare Ansa Asafoje, ask your NDC to bring the names out. Nadia crying, David Williams Ampon. Why everywhere is Airbus? What about this Galamsey and excavators issue that can balance the equation? For Christ's sake, Yanwe Ghana. Cletus, when our this Airbus type should be given to the Britain people to investigate and prosecute. Nayen the enda baby and about Wachi Yadom. Which good are we talking about? For did you create good somewhere? Lydia Akam, tell them the truth. They must read the ruling and stop confusing us. And I question you. Good morning, Asantemai, watching the program live from Efijuase Yao Mauzi. Good morning. I like Asafoje because he always talk with proof. Tell them we Ghanaians hate the truth. I saw in a message but it escaped me but Juliet Otab MPP never again Baroski Asisrewa Kuvita Kwakwasa for J should stop defending the indefensible now and because the evidence is clear. Government official one is former President Mahama Kwabi Jovis Asavoji. Whether the court mentioned the person name or not, NDC needs to respect Ghanaians and come out with a press conference like they always have done addressing Airbus issues. Well, episode 4 Asugusa Nhyira 104.5 FM. All the messages are to be read. Also forward the brand. Now is the turn of the regional director of National Service, original Women's Mamintio.
Kofi Mamina was able to Nhyira FM Kukrantumi send there be our can. Young Koy Kukra into me. The Nhyira to say zero. Etia woman no tia was here chian na ofuru kro so now I say zero the minia what I say
zero be cheme shet anu a sheda man the MPP kales
ko bisa no afro the minimum minini sa minini sa kasa no ma yedi minia mazi akese me say ma me fani agro mazi wa bia wo bia me ko bi yase se twini anim da ho no ma ye monche nyesa na asem bi wo ho so kra na sebi o yehu na ye timi twa bi hu ne ya dai edi bi adanse ne e wo se Ghana fo di kan busa yewura John Mahama ne asafo di ni se aeroplane ye to ye no sebi se nya moti ane di ye ni mi ekwe ni guchichi ye nipa anya sa ku fa santia ne ye busa asama na asafo di e kasa dia na I mean it's not fair making analysis a person ma said you be odwom e be
obokumati fotio menso mitio
eti yemu sase sa period na yekoto aeroplane no enya aban mu nipa ne di animu ana say ye nipa anamboa
yes
eti say yakodify bi say government official 1 intermediary 5 and whatever they were human beings
okay
eti right from I mean day one they was a candidate for kakache say oh yenim say yewura John Mahama na di animu na we ka ho but as to who is called intermediary 1 and what have you need there a court no codification what you say
mama peja we no call one ye
you make a come from
empa
eti na pese Ghana fo busa na say enye nipa o mo ho aban ni mu ene si Ghana anamu ene ekoye negotiation e de koto lupre na 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 say na ho akoto chewa enye say nipa no was ye bomudin but there was a Ghana for so tia say saade na NGC for afa totrobent no mo bom na Ghana never lost 1 CD there was no omoboa wo moboa you must have question with you say Airbus for no if they had not paid something excess or something illegal why were they fined na me kasa asembo won ma wuni hu dance etimi twa bi hu de ere o ka maybe Johnson eno nya US abrochimam say ya ene yewie o mu be ye press conference o bi anifo yewie na o mu nkofo twini what's wo man na mu ekoto ade de abre wo man Kofi is not instructive to know say the rare price of the per aeroplane na $25 million I don't know how much did you buy it. At the court, no Airbus for say because intermediary 5 cars who munko events a government official 1 our decision maker our highly elected government member no instead of paying or buying the rare price of the events aeroplane to be 22 million we bought it at 32 million and no can say Nhyira the Ebra 22 million one mo bia bedi animu and then ekra kaminim say aeroplane golo mine ewom a huge sums of $10 million. Ono de betu aye o memu. No be gina ye say etuto ayampia say obi amoka. Yaboka e ka no kra so dodo ye mu bida. Wo betua. you be forced to mention. And thanks be to God, say you are Kufado, Tikesia, Sabi, and Sudaipa. No, what my boy, no, what they are comma, if any say you are Attorney General. The names will be mentioned.
Okay.
And the fact and person may establish Hanamu Biatias and say, Yantias, say, a nipa and an idea nimu. A nipa and an idea nimu negotiate on behalf of government. And as for Jane Fatuma, why say, Yavan said currently as a BBC or Banuma, near Casa government official, you better say, Mensabunsu. It is neither here nor there. Could we say? The crop of leadership now, Sambu woman to negotiate.
Yeah.
Was that time, if there are a majority, there was it part? It is Assemble. We look at people now, the authority, the power of the country. Esha once I say, Munia ni munu. Woman, you better say any one of them can be what? Government official one. Is that not it? But you can't just throw it in a broad manner and say, Obibi or Wabemu, no kuta high position, say cabinet minister can be. Impo, Sasanet, name them for us. And the match Ghana for say we didn't buy the aeroplane in a vacuum.
Okay.
Any pan is here name and we call it. Seniana intermediary 5 can say so mu be seen so no government official one no pay bibi mana bibia betumi akoso ama ma preso am amoma aeroplane am. Is it different from what happened in Burkina Faso Canizora? Akwane se Kofi. Papa no man for event say Kanizwe was say Okohu 1 and 9 in NDC. So kai. Okohu 1 and 9 in NDC. And was it the entire wunya contract wa Ghana and say we are not been paying. But paying is also uchia a certain vice president then. And I can as well say I'm power this kind of man and I have not contracting about say yo. Is it not instructive to know say sa can as well yana koye embassy war. Okay.
Yeah.
Why and no you could school near war be a funny 7 wonders of the word. Is it a Chinese war? And then I will be asking. Najaruko walk right to say because I can say to me could share bribe man the vice president na Yura Muhammad Tino. I've was in a contract in a bawawa. Nasa we say ni atima ko say Airbus for say na air dinsen ke yebetima approve your friend is a contract na ma wo mu na mum intermediary 5 wa ya te say o relate government official 1 na Yakopon cha de Yewura Mahama ekotwere ne ono an biography or 2 din man first school dita e kire me say wonua bi kotena brochire. I mean you can make inference. Because you don't follow what I'm saying, you can make inference. But what I say in any case as a for parliament because we say per the laws of the country no say you purchase an agreement to be say a court 3 ministries including parliament in the event say at any Ministry of Trade and Industry trade for no should give approval. Yes sir. Yeah. And we are approval on but you finance ministry. So you should go to a finance ministry for them to also do the due diligence and give the endorsement or otherwise. Yes sir. Finally now parliament I approve. You are Mahama making sure the 1 day in a year winning. As I'm told him. Document here, they are called Attorney General Department the same day. You are near the call Minister of Defense the same day. You are near the call Parliament. Does it make sense to you? And you better near Pamay. Sada non quiet, you know, so and yes, Sadiana. It can't mean to Prenana. Yet Ghana Hanum, MPP, yet Mamamu 2 weeks and money went steady. Now you are Musaka. Minority chief whip, yes, sir. Was it there a period in Nusa? 1 day, 3 big ministries, including the parliament. I don't know Ramama no way.
No, I say to means Abunsu kind. Say if it is not true,
to keep you telling me make my submission.
They use 1 day.
Go and read.
Pass it through the 3 ministry to parliament.
Aircraft 2.
Masa.
Baku na under emergency.
On the kasa there.
Some people mean
I will play emergency.
Oboku, mamintio.
I will play emergency. I will play toy emergency. I say more than my better car. Kofi. A wado.
Yeah.
And who's that criminal case? It doesn't expire. Who's that? And I'm a DJ. Enti chinchina ka say ekoto aruple ni ato so na aruple nkate keneti nkate na wo to a
yeah they hang ato so ne eno de
eno you ababa
eno so ye different
hanga no
Brazil de no ana se John aka ho asem
ko foya ye duru mu baby a aruple da ho na efe hanga no onza ana etwe na atwede na ye fa so ko na efe landa etwe baby a aruple nkukobuo hanga no eno kwa $17 million. a chain na ye faso lada na ye faso akuwura mu hono na parrot na kutu aba no eno kwa ye $3 million ade John ya nya odai e die na wo gie free o man wo na wo ko purchase everywhere 3 big ministries, the Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Attorney General, and what have you. All these 3, including Parliament. 4 big institutions, one day. And do you know what? MPs? Have you read the Hansard? Minority led by Chairman Sabunsu, Eka said the figure has been inflated. It's not in the Hansard.
Yeah.
And that has confirmed
objection.
COVID,
a serious one. I have the video. Esiama Atwemam Ponwa Esore Kasai. The now minority leader.
Yes.
I have watched and watched it over.
It was seconded but the committee's report was seconded by an MPP.
It
was seconded by an MPP.
Both MPP NDC Committee on Defense Krakoshe. But in approval, the figures were objected seriously by minority MP as well as Isaac Esiama Atwemam Ponwa. They all rose against it.
Was seconded by
at the end of the day, yes.
And then when they came onto the floor of Parliament, it was seconded.
Thank you. But they raised questions.
I believe that you pause your watch.
Yeah, man, don't worry.
And hands are down. A tear for Muti, you can't hands are down. You can say a minute of the enemy to be on maybe. And it doesn't lie what I say. So in as much as say MPP minority raised the question of the pricing. Now we're reading here by a whole Airbus for no cassette. Of course, genuinely every aeroplane should have been bought by 22 million. But because they saw your friend is a intermediary 5, local government official one into rather they bought it or at what they sold it to us 32 million dollars. Everyone behind of them was overpricing of what 10 million Ghana for and then I feel very vindicated. Say we Ghana now we you Mahama na emre bi atwama ye wo opposition na me to ni din say oye epitome of corruption.
Let me come in here. In the court ruling, there's nowhere I stated say the commission given influenced the price. Let's get that clear.
And we have not read the Dito. We have not read it.
I've comprehensively read this and over and over.
Withdraw the word comprehensively.
Before the
hand, what do you mean? Why were 5 countries over the world were mentioned? Me wa ye boto go fooding you are no be say Airbus for no mun the integral of this purchasing. Why were they fined? Me I was go vote in person me no boni bia nkoso ade boni bia nkoso eye dan na court no e fani wom that thing of billions of dollars. And why the mention of 5 countries including Ghana? And I'm to question among NDC for say ompo eye nipa and omu commission womu e mo represent Ghana in purchasing of this aeroplane. What I say?
Yeah.
It is a court now codify be say government official one intermediary one bring out the names. At the end of the day, say Bampo na ye mo police station chairman. Any dia ni no abo man car. Also this kind of banana emrano ni di. By MPP for the making our influences near the land. Bibia chile say eh John Brad John at T-boat. Brad John a do a man the same thing okoya amajaro cocoa you kai breaking for the car so buy no your man bribe of $12 million e be see no think can what the same thing and okodi STS okay STS and your mama na di animu adam the day na see ye bo man ka baby a John Boka bia no John Boko bia no ya no ho prekase damadu na no ho age afiafie mu in corruption manner epitome of corruption corruption no do mahama no so go back you no ne fa government official one
you don't have that direct
you
are making inference you are making just an inference
in there
you are just making inference
Brad John na me ka kiro he has no choice
please
is available
mama phones here on the 22nd of July 2001 on the floor of Parliament. This was the argument, a debate ahead of the
I went to the internet to check.
And Isaac Esiama MP for Chumamponwa.
I have a copy here. I will table it before you. My concern is value for money. And one would have heard that Social Democrats will be more interested in value for money so that we will save the taxpayer the little money that we have in this country. Mr. Speaker, the standard price of every plane is quoted. The Embraer 190 that we are being told today in this house that the Speaker is costing the taxpayer a whooping sum of $88 million. The Speaker, when you go to the internet, the Speaker, it's $32 million.
Okay, Mame Corner, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Ubetimi do comment. I'll give you that time. Over call your Facebook page, Nhyira 104.5 FM. Now do comment at all. Part of the discussion. Asafoje, Mami, I will only listen to Asafoje. No, I just want him to make his comment. I have my time. I use it.
Kofi, a quick one on Ansembia Namina Umenseka. The main infraction on count 5, Ghana, and I'm pressing draw your attention. Now, may kind of be irrelevant under 54 so you can check.
Okay.
Or say the Spanish in August 2011, the purchase agreement for the sale of the two Casa 295 aircraft was signed by the Spanish defense subsidiary and the government of Ghana, and it contained a declaration of compliance with the 1997 OECD Convention on combating bribery of foreign public officials in international business transactions, as well as a declaration that no more than 3 million euros will be paid to the BPs in connection with the contract. Broadly, a 5% commission. Kofi, me sure so you are aware.
Yeah.
Baby infraction you will need. Or say further, the sum paid to intermediary 8 and then by intermediary 8 to intermediary 5 exceeded in the latter case by £850,000 pound. The agreement commission amount set out in the declaration of compliance referred above. Mean the Omo Kenyan say the earlier agreement and it's a commission should not exceed £3 million. And actually, no more due diligence checks. No, who say abro so by £850,000. Yes, sir. Yeah. It is at £10 million or so. Mudia inflated the benefit. I'm talking about the rare prices. What do you mean? This is the crown court. If you have read, if you what is the infraction?
That's a good microphone.
Has even confirmed.
That's a good microphone.
I'm talking about the rare prices of the
what's the Airbus? What's the Airbus? I bet say. Yeah, I'm inflated.
The prices. What you read is a commission. Is a commission.
Okay, as of and romance.
Thank
you.
You not read the rule.
We are talking about the price of the. We are talking about the commission.
Right.
Without mention of commission.
There is an international convention. OECD anti-bribery convention are established here against say offend say or mine be a kwakwato ade at a different country now on AD anymore, and there are about 36 OECD countries are a war. These laws are binding when you take time to read. Ebema, the conventions are guided country to country purchasing and intermediaries and interventions will be there, and of course Ghana for money maybe, but Abruche for they are critical about any of these things. And of course, and when a baby much of subject of discussion.
That is the only infraction.
We are done with.
Let me do
any other issue.
Let me do some quick remarks before I move. You know, I just say Oko or maybe America. You were registered engineer. The word is registered firms are we are lobbying. They are called lobbyists. What I say? I'll be to me remu na mabwa. Said the be I'll be to me the company be nyan kita udini adade. Sa lobbying no.
Breaking news.
It is accepted here in this country.
Kotoka terminal.
Other agencies are recognized by law of this land. Lobbyist agencies are now. And here one. Dr. Subiu. Nipa no or intermediary 5 no. Does he have a registered company? Or into lobbying?
Yes.
Intermediary company. They were consultant form later. But that time
intermediary 5 was part of company D.
Yeah.
Before Airbus decided to go and see intermediary 5 no. Now intermediary 5 no. Saturday were a part of any consortium.
No.
What
They created a share company,
please,
which was made up of intermediary 5.
That is after. That is after they realized that intermediary 5 knows government official 1.
And was part of company D. And was part of company D. And was part of
if there's
when now as a Fuji Air Casse Airbus 4 any intermediary 5 Air and Shaya administrative 1 and so any BBA. Those are Tia say Professor say Airbus 4 nim say intermediary 5 any government official 1 and come correct Chenye and come correct and cry and come say Kodi enimu nyebema uska. But omunim say intermediary 5 any government official 1 T and omutu sana mo.
Can we be done with this?
No, let me finish because remember one man 2 time omuko intermediary 5 na government official 1 be mo no Airbus were able to secure the contract which we bought the airplanes we have right now. And unti intermediary 5 approve say ampa onim government official 1 I'm a government official one so get to ampa the saka the also the saka it's contract no akoso. Let's establish that. We are na fe ye busa e ho say. What does the procurement laws of this country says? That
we should one day
say ye person ye plan ya. Eno an se Kofi Asante nim o se Kofi ntino. Baby o se di ko bia na sabu na fe approve ne kwa na. Is that what it is? Assembly Abano, Ghana Mufi. Because already the corruption perception index has always put Ghana at a very, very tight corner.
All because of these contributory factors.
Say, I'm sure you say, I didn't know an international case like this, a pouvoir. Say, why we are investors?
Thank you. So, where we will point
I'm going to say issue. So, I have say, you know, I just say, your boy assassination you buy. Na etu galamse ase na revelations yehu enie na owura ekwa usi oye Central Regional First Vice Chairman
former
so a former
okay
Benyan Kantada and I can tell you so he's the most corrupt person I've ever seen.
Please no.
I'm telling you
no
let him see me as my county
and let him see you
as my county I have had personal encounter with him
please
as my county
it's private
as my county
that is private but
I want private
no
I'm saying emphatically
please.
I know I can prove it.
Osei Kofi, you listen to me and I'll take you off. Tie. Information center. You say this thing, but not on my radio. Please. If you are talking about his, he is a suspect. Court has not even.
In any case, it's justified that because of that.
There's no justification. He's still a suspect. Or you're still a no, man, Pamuno because I corrupt. Please. Opoku Mensa will have my son. Why he was?
Are we not in
please?
No, that's
please, that thing withdraw it.
I'm not withdrawing it. I'm moving on.
Then I'm sorry, I cannot continue.
Whatever way.
Thank you.
No.
I want to ask.
I'm sorry. I have a personal
withdraw that statement.
I will withdraw it.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry.
When I'm to ask,
Onia siesika me say siesika nkasa January e was Shoprite it's say your money that from bebre you would Don Simon juice blend assorted 1 liter pack no 8 Ghana cedis 99 pesos a pair see 2
Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, Dinah Hamilton, Akese Brimpong, Nasi, Obapa Christie, Celestine Donko, Fletcher Now. Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Artist of the Year, the National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Hybrid Song of the Year, Raskuku featuring Kofi Kenata. Whoa. Dada Havko featuring Fameye, Our Story. Things Fall Apart, Kofi Kenata. Vision, Strongman featuring Akoboy Jr.
Please get the devil glasses to see my vision. O'Brien Battlefield, so Jaman, I'm on a mission. I don't care where you from, and no one preposition. Say me ye and I mean ye Yankupon.
Visit the website at www.ngmagh.com to vote now. The National Gospel Music Awards ends here again. Hybrid Song of the Year, Raskuku featuring Kofi Kenata. Whoa. Dada Havko featuring Fameye, Our Story. Things Fall Apart, Kofi Kenata. Vision, Strongman featuring Akoboy Jr.
Please get the devil glasses to see my vision. O'Brien Battlefield, so Jaman, I'm on a mission.
To me. 23 minutes past 8. We are back. Osekofi.
Kofi Asante.
Yes.
I'm saying comedy akoso offer. And of course it too far so ti esa be kwantado.
Me that's.
Menu yasa for je no pukuma esa da mwase. You know say mun kase nye nyoma bia na so betwi. Ka Kofi Asante kwan ka betwi. Enti my withdraw they say he's the most corrupt winner. So what I say because asem no that so under investigation and probably it went up in court. So it can't be I can't be doing prejudicial statements. Okay. Atosubio. Kofi. So say and some no buy ye and some are yet titi and money adia. Ama ora football boatin ankasa etu anamon. Say ono one and ne papa ne adwuma. But onyini ni and some akoso no enhu no. Nti enye investigate papa no a I think say ne kwan so no but the point is that that are not proof. Oyeden. Because as a minister also supervise rule. Say what a task force and a committee. We adwuma ma wa. Down no. Also on your report, first hand information. Also ko na ko hesa asem no a ye be ka tie wo no no kra na asanye no kra. Enu nti prof so edi ho fo kakra. Me feel say ono so he has to answer to Ghanaians. Yeah, for the adwuma etuaneka. Na owura John Body so din ba mu. Ama Mahunu Bibia Kain one of the news portals precisely Ghana Web say he's only Dimbemu or Gamse because or regional secretary of the MPP. Committee as you. Your body say Galamse no abano. Ya boni dim because we general secretary of MPP India. And Bibia Kota so Gamse Kota. Because we are head of secretariat out in cry. Was said the answer of say MPP won't crack as any biano. You bet me that 2 years, Siena that biano. Yes, sure. Ubisabeka. Nobody secretary MPP. Now say Galamse by Bobo, general secretary. Other MPP Kotas one, you took Galamse Wana. Galamse Juma Koso Honman as a saying. And as I say, MPP members in Galamse Fonti, they say Romanka Tom the party Kotasina, Galamse Gratana. I think so it doesn't make sense enough. It doesn't make sense enough. And you are who say MPP for and then another than Kwakufuado. And Kasa yes say Ombusum to Galamse ase. And Untigana ni Biawe Bibiano and for the Jumantua. MPs ebi Ekasatia Galamse to the stand to say Ora Joseph Osewusua or your first deputy speaker. Do cracker say Galamse for say umudi semoni no mu ya de ya butu sem tikwa no se nkebe obi tu Galamse kwa emu tu ne nku no na ewie etire no former first what do you call it vice chairman of the MPP and why obi a according to alleged we say wow because I'm to alleged say yet say excavator we akwa Galamse a now what excavator no what change location so I say was yet to bro afo Koisi region na kokokoye yet to Wisi region Konodo region na kokokoye
no magiska
ono na cheche baby o say Galamse no odi muska to bio yet is a party officials it is a Jogbodu na ban aba na ban bu mine president every the party mu atena say no person do mine ko na Jogbodu so eti ni ebobu ni din o Galamse sem no I think say I was set na do dan Kwakufuado na sifom it shouldn't only be a Kwawusi Jogbodu's name was mentioned you find it out some poor boating and complete supervisory rule or Hamasani my way you know he should resign or he should be sacked and then you should answer to us visa or say criminal prosecution because Operation Vanguard for no one budget ticket come on say shema Galamse ni nyaro won bi
a man to be not less than 1,000 Ghana cedis
1,000 Ghana cedis
individual not less than
what I say
apart from their normal salary and
apart from there no
and their top money
say we allowance nkwan because there's so much muram almost that one thing obehwe no mudi mika no mo kone
a senior police officer complain against one soldier in the Provincial Vanguard said every week he be pocketing not less than 40,000 Ghana cedis
400 million a week what you say Galamse sensem we are and the mass was a trade for you go no okay I see a suspect to say, Muko, no me 7 po. What I say? I don't know come here before. And you know, say about cool boys, I'm a galam say, I say, ya. And then I'm yes, I didn't know yet. So now I go for them say, oh, Baba, Casse, Yanya galam say, I'm a name party for the phone to her. And you know, the cat say, yes, I'm saying a day. Because the man for person it makes sense. As I told you, I can say, as I said, I say, yet Tim Kofubins are no Munyaye. So that's it. Or my be so that you know, na yanko for me, maybe na tape ni mono. As in be tie. From Bob Watting. That's why I say she should resign. I can't say party yeska. Tenio party yeska. Next soon, say. Dear yet, Tiana say, sir, get galam say, I know excavator no. Na ye can say, one year I didn't ye into a boca. Sicano Mudiano, I say, be quite MPP cotes, entity. From what is what some kinds of party here, Sicano. I say, no, can see a near a ye. And unti. Ye pursue who say. Say no, a galamsey sikan a MPP party no one. I think it's a legitimate question. Looking at what has happened.
Wrap up.
I thought should be my own parliamentary candidate to be all central region, oh baby. I watch your crack tin so the Kokoma MPP party no. Now then some more can say, and Okra Sebia or Anya de 1 year. And Okra Sebia for Pampaso. Nesusika Odinyano. Obet maka central region for your bus. Ebi mo nya cars. Ano one listen your bebrebe a. Ni nyina no, say onye sika no, don support to party no. Kofi, if that's the case and yeah, can we conclude? You bet me see people say. Nhyira. E kwa usi buy. E dey bread from Paul Boateng say. Ono nya adwuma na onfa galamsey fotika. Every party no ana na say sanet tie me tifom na say sanet tie na say nuse galamsey ya e be betim dia MPP party no dia adenti na e kate Ghana fo bi say omunya ade ne ye adenti e tata wo mo adenti na e bu wo mo adenti na see bi excavators adenti na ku bi mo adenti ama bi mo no deka ya stop wo mo na nkofo bi dey
multi-million questions to all of us. Yemubi, I think said the performance of Professor from Boateng Yabori deny Yemubi war Yehuduno high esteem say will beat my but he has disappointed all of us and I think that he needs to resign and I say I mean they not
so
just no, more than just sacked. He should be investigated in all this issue because we are penina to one of the obviously you can't be left alone.
And the conversation
a quick one tape no on Embra on Casa 295 voice now
okay
so the omo can say omo puzi ene omo demand omo boa Kofi Asante ma men come anim na men pese me call ayi so bi o airbus no Kofi galamsey fight Kofi nka me buy o se prophet Kokwasa Foji ene oboni Okaya, Kofi, I raised serious concerns about galamsey fight. I won't Nhyira FM. Kofi Asante me be catch there will say, manya information as far back as 2017. Say MPP for acquire meeting say, yes, said I say a babe ku galamsey na ya pam obi a no mdo mo nkrofo akoguo e ma Kofi ka say we di asafoje. Oti wen. Etinke ne me buy o say asafoje wo bu oni eji tu. I'll be vindicated.
Oh, wait.
Sure, Kofi Asante. Okay, at that time, Ibusa will say, Abano Okun galamsey, which is illegal, and I say Okun small scale mining. Because your uncle Sambreno, no mafa all the legal procedures, aqua licenses, ni permits, not by law, or more kinds of two a former good enemy, or more Ghana for. Yen Naya did to say, galamsey, and not the papa. Galamsey, it said your own lineacho. Galamsey, it said your own cocaine. It is something illegal under the laws of Ghana. If a galamsey quote unquote, the literal meaning is illegal mining. It is no government and a buyer now so galamsey so anamebwa. Obekaya 2016. Omampani dada Mahama ko boase ko ka say. Galamsey de enye but small scale mining de ye. Nananado crowds oba said the meme ko galamsey no no so be ko galamsey se wo kaya na na do ba obo ase so mahama boa wo boa na me be pa adwuma ma mo mabunu ma ye be da na be ko tia galamsey
ankasa
and Kofi voice and what initially near Kotu from Ghana Web and no challenge and compare voice no so no wa matter about be ku galamsey na galamsey no friend small scale mining. And the fight against galamsey and Kasam Kofi, it came from the media.
Yeah.
It wasn't an agenda of government. Gonanado right from day one and promote galamsey or boise. Okason the oba obema manfo saying so. Obema manfo saying ya galamsey na na say Ghana ye madat no obe promote na ma twanto atone so ono oba obema na koso. Kofi. Fast forward. And I'm central for them some dwene o my Ghana ho. Na mu hu say yensu say after cocoa farms. Sebe anka ebe boa promote ye cocoa ye twa na ye di tu for magudie. And I'm ka say there be said ye ko na kobo na mo start a campaign. Na abani ni choice bia no so mu bi. Abani so mu bi Kofi enam so amanipa wu. Kofi wunim. Oboase ye bo abrante bi tuo Kofi ka say be discuss wa ha.
Yeah.
And Namsuma Ora on Munafo Joseph Osewusu was issued to kill Mu Galamsey Mu Todia Kuma Musan Kratiania Mokuya Wurem.
Oh my goodness.
Mebua Katam Mebua is the voice not there. So on Galamsey Ukona who be a boni to Okuno. Puniti say Abua. I won't nipa. Na sabe Ganamra, Obia Odin second to be mini cried in Kujina Kotia Munitu. And Amuki Kamus and Medo Maswa Mahama. And I'm so Major Maswa Mahama. What training kwa Adam Kolan Kete ho. Manindu o message no try so be defend ya dewe. And then nipa atwi o munkwa. Ada en obano wadane e friend saying kuna ni ne ma so de omu bedi se de omu be se nyame nko ananim. Omua ye season almost excavators 2 months 2 years ban ema ye de excavator si wo enko ema eye bank besia Kofi Asante over $150,000 what they are to excavator yes ye de ban na to so esi fo akon enko ema busume so interest kuno ebi mo nya pressure ebi mo ma free school mo betina afie Kofi unim say some rante ya no ye small scale man nanado anwene wo mo ho a de band beto o madwuma so yi na ko bi mu community sa na bi mu sponsor brilliant but needy students Kofi so onim ebi mu wo kra ekwan ase kra no mo atimi de o mu sika ne o excavators ye kwan nanado anwene we nyina ho was here all people only people for adwuma to but na nim say the obayen say obeboa magana ye ma ye wo mu kra o da atia ye yie Kofi o kwa akra na uduru sa nyinam ho nsuo na da ho na ni ate afa na ye tick o saka kra na de make one kra nke be betimi dia ye ti what you say Densu River what would Kofi aye Amuji amanfo nsa asiwie no enom se ye be community mining eno na domboard wo de untie tape ni ye eno na no domboard ko peace fm a wo se community mining no amanfo nsa ase na ne agege no okwo Professor Frimpong Boaten wo se as general secretary nem krofo be pa bia ye enti yo akolobi enti wantimi am contradict video na ye tie no say mo matina ho agege amanfo licenses mapam amanfo afri mining sites ena mo makofa apam se bo party ni hia sika de be ma o mensa die sika ye de be ma kwasi che ye die sika de be ma MPP communicators die e de ya pepper soup no what do you make it to enunti me ba ma me kema se wo de di abram
at least party yes ka credit
Professor Frimpong Boaten say party ni hia sika me bo a ye bo untumi di ye bo dombo what has happened to them e ko si na nanim ha Kofi one statement letter no
any statement
the statement me for de bia ma hwe settlement say tie Kofi me kire mu settlement o say now no na ye the goro boy the middleman edema the central regional security coordinator me boa yes the excavators na omu tia between 50,000 500 million tete no to 55,000 eto ono settlement accounts mu NIB no omu tia sika ni wi a wo de akoma security coordinator ne friend Mr. John Oforiata no the command one so frame Mr. Ekowawusi ono no part of the interministerial committee our excavators so no tiasi kanu manu no order the release of microphone about Adam. In all this coffee, the man injustice. Why is nobody mentioning John Oforiata? John Oforiata, Audio Oforiata, and TFN San Canana. Central Regional Security Coordinator na Jaboni D said on na settlement. That's what this can come on. Why is he not being arrested?
From Paul Boateng have called for the arrest.
There be the evidence in Tiano. Ono Akufo do hu ye ana odi Oforiata na we dey kokko usini dia o ma be na team no Kofi you know say by law yes is excavators under the command of Ghana Police and by extension normally because regional ministers na the RESEC chairman inti ono so timinya esotumi excavator bia by practice me I served under Nafi as special assistant before you be releasing it goes through police babefa the regional coordinating council I may clear on national security coordinator in the office now what you cap ma akwa ban futuom with receipts and san ye be jai kra ye jai what you say enti ko bada say Science excavator say Ekowawusi aton wadie say wawie so waye de den o entimi nkoba say Kwame Nadanka ni mu hwe da it is never possible entimi nkoba say John Oforiata security coordinator central region ni mu hwe da entimi nkoba say the regional police commander there is oblivious of what is happening Kofi yani ati o na obi di Oforiata nto on the other so ti ho Ekowawusi na nimu ohanti on the ya che no Kofi mi belande
landed.
Apart from excavators, yes, ya ton. Sabi, amuko ready na Kofi. Almost is a gold. Meboa. Everyone got to physical cash, you know, my fat. Almost to be causes a cash, Kofi, and so way. Kofi, me, Busawa, and so way. And your excavator and Kwani Abacao. Kofi excavator Balco, cost almost $150,000. 500 multiply that amount. And now yet here. Opoku mensa panitiri ho na airbus yes you 3 million euros amobi PBS ye hu omampani wo fasi gabi ni Philippa Yesu voice WhatsApp chats through that corruption we lost $190 million we lost a whooping amount of $190 million and no yanka ho asem
41 minutes
3 million euros ho asem
41 minutes past
na say galam say sikana na every year be amoma 100 Ghana cedis mu pulling agents okay say sikana subin for no amoko ho no say yes say galam say sikano e na omo gigea na ya chama afibia pulling agent be 100 Ghana cedis mo na hia mo say sorry dem akura in opposition and na mo ba mu pulling agents across country omo timi 100 Ghana cedis o man say ya wunya say Omen Kofi Asante aya unya say Kofi Asante me busa wasem you are happy with that yes sir I can never I can never be happy with that obogo me before pan ma yedi na me wo anu ye di ma me nu asafodi de bia say ne kan ye say mfato hunti na ma prison for here won ran ho ganam say but Debian was it to me establish the difference, the dichotomy, the difference between Galamsey and small scale mining. But what I say, did kind? Maybe some casa for about commitment of government. You Mahama, a president. A dear commitment to me show yes, or the fight against Galamsey. Send a bear, yes, soon, ye quiet, a bit my bomb by. Na sabi odidi agro wonya platform kese sa na odnani asi achima bu akwa na odidi o mate no ohuru mu e ho na ye Galamsey headquarters bewa is that the way to fight first Galamsey obubo on say we dey outimi bodin o but government official one here dey and they also mbo na no din wo hold on I had the one the guy to mention names. Kofi, the anti-chrome hana yami ne Kwakubu ahi live on radio. Galamsey uno mo kontokwa. Okay. Galamsey uno mo kontokwa. Yamfe no ntonche. Wo ka excavator na me dey say baby a wa ro hu into is na won na afi na ye adwuma.
wo excavator ni bi wo ho no me be chire kofi wonu me say under NDC wonu me say under NDC
wa wote ha
ami ameti ya say
wo dia wo say me no ye
na me ya excavator ho dum
no wo no anete he
we fi san say wo mo ma ne say me ka say wo mo ma ne say
no so bi sa say excavator ni wo
what ya no ka say no ye special assistant to defense regional minister na wonu me say CCZ excavator process was FM I'm going to educate him. Kofi record shows say under Yewura Mahama the last 3 years no be free, including Chemawu to me a omu CZ ne excavators be say 500 no. The totality in the country omu CZ na 950 Untumi kwa de na 500 onum say me be kire omu but no last scheme man onum say at the end of the day out of the 950 now Yewura asafojaji atum no
menye hwi ntum me ne bia figure na fi oboa
they bent only 12%.
Wow. Oboboni trim
Oko EPA all these records are there. Out of 950 now we see here no. We say 12%. Do you know 12% of 950? It's 114. 114 free your friend is 950. Ubenya 836. It is excavators in a way. As for Jane, send an hour case. Now we are send an hour case away. Now we are PR, we are PA, Emma, regional minister. I put it to you. And now if you so said we will or I didn't find it crazy. What you say? You say 836 now. Moji yena a business. Now, if you want to say you're to me or the Abana court. Yabuaman
court to Buaman.
Samoya the papa mo fa kwampa so samono mo fa kwampa so na mutata wuntu mi a enka court bebu amano because you use your muzzle where the power lies and am the tata no and am abo manika Mibisa Yewura Mahama amana ba be fa Yunus Afuseni no ye sector minister aba be si asafo agin John, as of a day, sa 836 na moje na mo she just 1% no. Me say e wo hefa.
Because you are missing the discussion.
I'm not missing the discussion.
The current issue about
me ba ho current issue ne dia yin. Me sha se me ka kire wo se mfa to nti na ma prison ni nya.
Okay, nti wo yam fa to.
Eti me kire mu se wo mu na mo ye se excavators ayira no. Se wo kwa no mo ko 500. Untumi kwa de na 500. And other Ghanaians ye be count na 950. Wow. Publicly no must say just 12%, which is 114. And I make catch a Ghana for some Mumusa Yewura John Mahama, in News of Hussein Babusa, as a Fajan no PA to the original minister say 836 in a 1 year. In any case, don't bother you Edinburgh or Birmingham say. Let's draw the dichotomy between Galamseyers and that of the FNS, small scale Emewa. Utie Kasana, the so called Ecowisine Yewura, certain minister needing. What was the word he mentioned? Was it to me or concession? Concession is illegal. Since when did concession become illegal? And for that matter, Woma concession, they should contribute to the party. Is that not it? Contract a demand Ghana for a BNPP, BNDC, but I don't the day Yama contractor. If like unconditional reason, you need to part the party. And yes, sir. It is will be a case. Oh, want to me say more concession. I want to me let me put it on record. Oh no, Master Debia, he's ahead. Oh, me want to me catch him say be free a small scale money. I could farm him or catch him back 2 years ago. And then before I want to me though. You know, before you people think we had thought. Eti yankase obi nkoye galamse and farmer sponsor MPP. We never said that, and never did the minister say that. The minister didn't say that. Or say one I am more concession or the agreement is that also mutimi contribute to the party. Me cry me tia am concession. Let me put it on record because I see myself say I have been a bit elevated. More or less I have been contributing to the party. What you remember me channel? Na the party abwa ma wadwuma and now concession and now contract and now say sebi good office bia. Again they see one concession party they say you campaign na for caprebra and they say why? Is it illegal? Nobody made mention of Galamsey. In any case, you know we say mu. Mumu dia na mo ye na ebinu mo je a kire ka party mu panyifo. E kon tokwa wo radio so and waje me Galamsey adwuma ye wo ye sie no. Won ti man chi due ba. Edue ba kra won ti man fa na court. MPP dia ye dia no ye nya abasha boni ogo fa sante. Na obusam say you are missing. Afa na me ba ho. Adi ba ye we could have phrased our muscles. enya power na kuta ye politician mo ka asem defy am say just turning I mean is it female to male and the vice versa and you to me nyomebo and that is true. We could have kept quiet over this. Na say na run is guy no ehuru ebejo. Do you understand it? But ya nya sir. Okay, say to be a vice chairman of a party look at the way he was arrested like a rumble star. Domahama ne inus of Hussein in the answer for Jane can't me. In their administration, one person that they arrested in their government. And now you tell me
in relation to Galamsey?
Yes. Party Liban Omacheno. Yeah, depends here. And the list keep on swelling. And you want to say, a Kukrantumi for say, Nhyira, your friend is a professor. Money laundering against.
Yeah, that of
it is Obia Bonnet. And I said, be a party muni pani to so I bonnet. Now you're covano, you're protecting, you're finding jokes. You're making sure that the law should take its course. What is your problem about that? Who the Indian American? 950 excavators. What she moved just for 12%, 114. I think I went for one thing. Oba just open the front of our casa match. 836 in a kind, maybe reverse one. 836 in a kind. Mutichamamu, and I'm with this sponsor party. A year and Uncle Siaga. And let me put it on record. There is nowhere MPP as a party I can say will be quiet Galamsey and Famabwa party. Nagovi as a for J and also Galamsey. What did Wakae? Was it Galamsey? Yes, no, not a big sponsor school for. Galamsey, yes, no, near beat me a pine. This is what you said. Nami Busao, Kovi, and this will be to read. Nani Sikan will the Bois community and Diamano Tonvi.
He was referring to small scale.
And I know how we are Bonamo BNT. In any case, so we have the alacrity and the commitment of President Kufuado. No, I can't. Was it the Brimusu? Not the Brimusu, I can fast our police, Yama. And can I grow more because a pampa unza. Akufuado are making positive strides in the Galamsey fighting. Also, in Yabuano and another and can be biara da. So on no waba or better say a young to a good year. Was say a good idea, Yamedi Che, Kofi Debianonka. Into a say you two. No more see a far compass near day near two or see a far compass near two. And that is what you call the small scale. Especially reclamation. Go for to try and you're creating your more echo to me. Now we begin for political points in Tino. We begin to go for the Google and say, Galamsey, they must be Buguno. No more small scale in the best streamline the system to make sure say, Yabama, Shishano, Aya Juma, now your boy, a quiet and hobby. And it's not instructive to note. And the Western region, yes, they are rationing water, all because of the activities of Galamsey. They have fatia the onya by mobile no now the diagro a whole president now who chebi and the chebi for tata one alcopacho and the chebi a headquarters of Galamsey. What commitment did you show? Ubi a bano or ya dear send your fata. It go fit me and as MPP ni be any one ma ya betna a platform can say near defending Nhyira echo with you. I'm not here to bastardize him, neither am I here to defend him. They say they are called the necessary process. But what I say, say we necessary Emrano Bona. I was in an answer Monko. Says you Nasa Emranis oh there be 1 year 1 year. Obian anyhow. It's kind of what the assurance you can give to you and say, Obi be involved. So I have by Munipa. So when you said you show commitment, you better make sure the law take its course. And I be yeah. I will see the by what is our Munipa Casa in favor of him. Mo party will be a bonny. What you mean? You were moving from radio station to radio station, defending all your meso on your Bonibia. I don't know the idea to see.
Okay. Opokubeda say abisa for sugusa Kukrantumi chubedi we Nhyira 104.5 FM. Afiaman kwata maklo so wo hye ni nuamba Dorothy Osewusu Macon branch managers ahojo happy birthday. Nti sweeter Dorothy afiaman kwata maklo say omam happy birthday. Amen fan tudwa say MTN everywhere you go was say eni bibia edana kwamu na ye rezi level no ema watimi akwanim. You will have everything is better on brand new smartphone. And into so about getting a new one from MTN. And we say MTN is raising level promotion. Lucky draw, just talk more, test more, and win more. Over 20,000 brand new iPro S5 5S phones. The Emma war this year the raise level kakra just that *201# to register today. We are good to go. And of course, I know you're MTN. Curtains Plaza said curtains be open busumi muno wateto so ediama every type of curtains. Zedum and a branch where you takra den so da ban pampa so Curtains Plaza or friend 0202271011 na yetimin so abo abusa for omona ebo ayem di dwumadi nyina ebrewo. Egusua ya de Kukrantumi dwumadi brown we yebeka akofa ya T4 na o kire wona adwen e wone nkoma ye di nyina ho but until that ubetimi and so koye Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM now I a part of the discussion Nana AJ Nana AJ Yaboa CEO Emma Student Loan Trust Fund my brother Anopay and Chakase and Komau uniaba edafom na me ya domwa na ochia ebe yebeko akwakoye adisiye kronkron the 16th of February yebeko ewo new yebeko I think for Chrome Abenase Methodist School Park ewo ejoso eho ene ebeye eyi no enti Nana J Yaboa we CEO edema Student Loan Trust Fund and pay and Chakasi and Komau. You've been a brother and you continue to be a brother. 0322083581 0322083582 83583 and pay on the 14th day a Valentine Day my Ganemu Ratri Park poolside and at the biggest outdoor event ever a love party featuring Compromise of Urian Ponsa featuring Oforian Ponsa and all the wonderful sensational romantic musicians yebisha omo but what enough out of bra na jineni rate no 80 Ghana cedis for single 150 for couple everything is there bibia come looking ready for the night and advance ticket no right trip go Love FM Nhyira FM onsa bitimi akabe oboku patch microphone here loud let's respect our listeners please. And therefore, you want to make a comment? One comment, just one comment. Then we go in.
1 minute.
We're picking our colleagues.
Convention People's Party. Yabatonwa Ebasono. There are candidates be one more or more a deal more about some of the Baba for the Ediasun party. No, I'm a party in fortunes. Akonim. Now, on the party be here pie the organizational structure. The organizer, the youth organizer, the women organizer. And it is a Oba organizer, incoming national organizer. The Yenina partner, Yajatu say, Obetimaya Jumano. Now, what's Obetimaya over the years?
On the post,
Ura, Rashid Alao.
On the post.
It's been contested by about other 3 people.
Incoming organizer.
Because me tell
the choice of word is all correct.
Wait.
Candidate back on the MPP candidate.
And one no. Hold on to the national youth organizer. Osekufiakwa Opukumasa to sign. We all of a moment lose. Just some sign. Oh, catch you. Just some sign. Who knows for them? As of Virginia, Sponzano. Huh? This guy, the man. Oh, but that's the way.
Mamin Coco.
But those who we have said Opukumasa the the national women organizer.
Thank you.
So, Mama,
now Opokumen answer the infant. Now, Opokumen say, can't be saying, dear commitment, Nadomama, a trace of the Kugalamsi. Me the President Kufuor no masem na ebe chese President Mama Galamsey. Now we publication Ghana 15 July 2017 MPB to regular Galamsey paragraph 5 Or say I was here in Obuasi to say that Galamsey, which I prefer to call small scale mining, will be regularized to ensure that they use all fine work to do. Shortly afterwards, Mahama also came here to tell you that
no. Stress on the word regularize.
To regulate something. She was shortly afterwards, Mahama also came here to tell you that I was lying and that an Akufo-Addo government would rather sack everyone involved in Galamsey. When he won the election, he rather directed soldiers to come and drive out all persons involved in Galamsey. Akufo-Addo because Mahama win here no, or the soldier for Pama Galamsey for no more kruma. Edimo mun trust Mahama. The president Akufo-Addo na him say Mahama kutia Galamsey. Kofi, where Aljazeera.com, Aljazeera international website.
Okay.
Or say Ghana arrest Chinese over illegal mining, and this is dated 7th June 2013. As far back as 2013, Aljazeera report to say Ghana buying Jomama buying China for deport to in the fight against Galamsey. To scratch it,
Ghana for and Mama mandate and no any very focused to ensure say Jumadia Mudi Ashe and Sano. Ye be na bibia akoso. Ene atadufo wa Ghana yate dene. If you wouldn't say for the first time senior high school candidates no obi no otwa capre for registration. E bin see there say obi ekoye nsohwe apa university and tertiary institution akọ na aban absorb. Enti mesre say yanhweye na ye ma oyonko ebeji to me na obetwam because or two way anything review be say to cancel.
MSS director, I understand you cancel.
Yetiano catcher say 4 year concept ya president for the abano. Oba review. And Anna Mensa committee na ka say 4 years in India. Anna Mensa committee one am setting up. Kasi enta yewu akufado achi. Na mu year excavator. Na mu year boboya. Na wo man no ntimi tu. Mu year excavator ya boboya.
0322083582. Hello, good morning. Okay, the next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning. Kufiasa Ntumpo Mbokode.
Nyami adom hweni.
We da basa mogobonye mekaza full offense. Aminkia asafo aye ene adwuma pawe. Kofi mewra fo ama Ghana man. Ada MP for bone be na dia yam. Mabetna kunya woji se do pedal sa ase de yabo Ghana on mine bia. Amo sike kirinche. Adi be ki bia MP for we Ghana for sika. Excavators Galamsey mo shimo ku Galamsey akum ko forma e kroma. Muye ya masa excavators ni na chafa. O maye betina mo metna mfimi enseni awon chichiche as Ghana for the Ghana abombusia. Me 2020 this year. MP people.
Okay, meda CM for the next caller. Hello, good morning.
Yeah. Ovi.
Yeah. Morning.
Now I want to say
Nyami adom.
Ichia woni wajiboja funi na FM Kofi. Kese free boise. Ai bajo umbisa o mensi mamisa o say. Ai omwaje chairman wuntumi afidie makum 500. Ei, oboku mensa, weni e. Kaze afidie baku 500 ya deketwa. Na himfa na site be na wuntumi dey san fidie yin na egu. Boku o ka Galamsey ho asem ato boase. Iti na wo ba ye Fred de ne de ama no. Me pesa me san bisa o say ona bu ade nu onya forms ni bi oboku mensa o ka ho asem ana o ye den. Ona bu ade nu onya forms ni bi na no unu zuba betina ho no ka ho asem but wanka say empanimfo no muma owura ade nu onya forms ni bi unka ho asem ti oboku mensa me expect say obeye sa ade ne pass o say we a good politician dia any kind of credit asantimante mu mpanimfo ne say owura ade nu onya
okay and this ni the next caller. Hello, good morning. Yeah, minia.
Ya peme ya mensa me kase to boasi bonkubiri.
Aminti.
Ko ya antika kan pese me kan se. Ya ti o ma we mu o. Ya fa o ma ne tra kan politicians na ya na o ko form bet na we fidie no. So mo ba mo nim so mo kama ya sire. So mo nunu o mo na o man ka so mo sire. O mo ba mo kan e be favor o mo. By amemmo he ana no o interview asinafo MP no former regional minister. Papa ne kasa ma wo bia wo tinche bia se bia e ba dwene ba wo dwene ko nkan bia wu tampa papa ne kasa nyansem e se o mo se so mo ba betina o mo nya chance o betina fidie no so a o mo nedicate
public na ye ti omu no mu nya to mu benu no mu ya no mu sa sere no hwe wo ma we ye to ma we mu 2016 shekwaya NPP for efa so kan health insurance asem ebe pum na afimu yani health insurance ye ntia magana for by oma commanders mu generalists mu kan ho hwe.
Okay, me that's same father next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Kofi.
Yeah, when
Kofi Julius Agahwana Kase.
Julius Mamichi.
Mamindika now I say Nejuma Pa Udi. Kofi Ezidio Ubi Udi Ekoso my Ghana. Ose Katashi Sheni Proya Ekoso my Ghana. The Emo Pa ne say media. Me tell I don't money mama. I confirm ko I'm also you who did the tone and you say and also count crowd scandals are Ekoso my Wampini na do amumu. Excavator. And yes, I wasn't also
okay, my main father next caller. We will not be able to pick us again. We did the other back of Asante. I mean, you Kwasi Asante, Kwasi Umame at the form and Ebeba a year crew, Nafe, Yababi Jow, Omboding, Na Yintimin, so Asia or those of us who've been with Kwasi and I pay Yada Ubiase for being with us. Yamea Duma Ibisansuasia on behalf of the team. Sports team about to so bright can come board and then I pound for
The National Gospel Music Awards is here again. Hybrid Song of the Year, Raskuku featuring Kofi Kenata.
Hallelujah! A Brenasia Subie National Gospel Music Awards 2019. Nyamiatom Basu February ni dia tosu dunum ewo Bantama Church of Pentecost. Enyumeno sia pepepe. Yes, share radian monya niesa so bo. Wana wo bo wo homodi wo gospel nyum tuomo abaso. Na anyum tu fubi ti say. Tego Sisters wo basie. Obapa Christy. Reverend Dr. Abiam Ampoma Danso all the way from UK. Reverend Graceman.
He is the light of the world.
Onyami tumi na dom ebesane. Take it no 20 CDs advance and 30 CDs at the gate. Obenya take it maybe or Love FM any Nhyira FM ye feed haya. Poco Trading Abebi Express. Dash Fashion Kumasi City Mall. And also betumi afred 0242 828058. Na tumedie wana wade prayer global expert recovery. Osi trayan wakafo ni ebedan wo kama. Woni Love FM any Nhyira FM and edijumedie bro. Brania mera de so na waso ma ye so no.
Sponsors: Franco Trading Enterprise, Dutch Fashion, Empo Travel and Tour, Global Expert Recovery Limited.